How's it going, dipshit?
For the millionth time, Roger, you can't smoke here.
I don't see any sign. Do you see any sign?
Fucking asshole. Where's Phoebe?
I heard she works at the studio.
Fuck. She's so lucky.
Yeah. You know, she's probably making out right now with one of those guys out there.
That's fine. We didn't need her anyways. Alright. The Battle of the Bands is coming up. We have to find a new drummer.
What? Don't act like you're the leader of the band, man. You don't even have a guitar.
What did you say? I'm gonna get one soon. The fuck?
Phoebes is moving on, man. Maybe we should too. It's time to graduate, Bobby. I started looking for a job.
What the fuck?
Yeah. I always wanted to work at the bank. I've heard, like, bank has got the money.
No shit. It's a fucking bank.
Yeah.
Bobby.
Oh, shit. Gotta go, man. All right. Well, tell Mrs. Parker I dropped by. I'll stick this back tomorrow, though.